As a leader, learn from the birds. Observe the terrain, the situation, the moment in front of you, and start to record and remember what you're experiencing. Build mental maps from those experiences and store them in your personal team and organizational memory for future reference. Develop and pay attention to your own and your organization's magnetic pole, and orient your decisions around those ethical and moral guides. Hone your own and your team's instincts through regular interaction and sharing, so you become better individually and as teams at identifying and navigating good opportunities while avoiding bad ones.